What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, which should be every week. I'm thinking, at first I was gonna do every Monday. I think I'm gonna do every Sunday. I don't know. I just figured why not? I was uploading I uploaded maybe 1 or 2 videos like Monday morning. And then my most recent video was, I premiered it like Sunday night instead. And I kind of like that a little bit more. As you can see, it is not the daytime. It is midnight, actually, Wednesday night, December 16th, I believe. So if you are aware, that means there is currently a snowstorm going on right now in New York. It's actually not snowing at all right now. It was raining. Currently, it's not doing anything. Driving through Mamaroneck, for anyone that is maybe from the area. So yeah, it's not actually doing much right now. It was snowing. It was snowing really nice. Big snowflakes packing down like beautifully, like was making it seem like we were 100% gonna get 16 to 18 inches. Then all of a sudden, everything turned to like a hail rain, and it wasn't really packing on as much. But I think within the next like half an hour or hour at most, maybe it's gonna go back to like strictly just snow. I think as of right now we have, I would say, about half a foot, about 6 inches or so, which is fun in the beginning, but now most of the roads have been plowed like at least once, so I'm not really like driving through anything crazy. I did drive through, a couple of fun stuff, so I was able to kind of exert some energy there. I've literally been like prepping for tonight for the past like couple days, because I've been I knew it was gonna happen, that the snowfall was gonna come down later in the evening. So I've been staying up to like 5 o'clock in the morning the past like 3 nights, just so I could be awake for this time. And to help me out, nice little iced coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. Don't usually go to Dunkin', but it's the only thing that's open at midnight. Their hazelnut coffee is actually not that bad. So if you go to Dunkin', I drink my coffee, like this is coffee, it's iced coffee. I don't really drink hot coffee, only espresso. This is not iced tea. This is straight black coffee. I do not put any milk or sugar in my coffee. I love hazelnut. They have 2 types of hazelnuts. There's like a hazelnut cream and an unsweetened hazelnut, or just like the hazelnut flavor, which I get. That's why it's so much darker in color. I actually enjoy it. For like a name brand like chain, it's not terrible. I usually go to this coffee shop by where I live. Personally, I think they have like the best hazelnut coffee that I've really ever had. Obviously, best espresso is across the pond over in Italy. But that's a different story. So yeah, I think my truck has literally, or Jeep, car, I don't know what people call, like, is it a Jeep, is it a car, is it a truck? I don't even know. I'm just gonna call it my Jeep. My Jeep with the 37-inch tires, just like bodying the snow. Like I want 2 feet of snow to just like plow through. It could be taken a totally different way. But yeah, the 37-inch tires, 2-inch lift, Mopar lift, surprisingly was well, I don't know if it's surprising or not, but I was able to like do a couple donuts and drift around in a parking lot. I put it down to too high, turned the traction control off, and just had a ball just spinning around. So I'm gonna post some of that footage now. Had a buddy of mine film that, and yeah, that was a lot of fun. Had so many of my like friends and my relatives like, oh, be careful, you're gonna like flip the Jeep. I'm like, I'm not flipping the Jeep, don't worry. And I never felt like I was at any risk or danger. My Jeep at least has been killing it. I am praying we get torrential snowstorm, like just crazy apocalyptic ice age, like all out Mother Nature warfare, just snow. I really want to push my Jeep to its absolute limits. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.